Did you know you can record superb song matches into Rekordbox and recall them later on your CDJ 2000 players? After this video, you do. Welcome back. How are you doing? I hope you're doing marvelously well. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel for more videos about DJing and producing. By the way, did you also know that you can find me on Instagram, Facebook and SoundCloud? Details in the description below. Matching tracks and related tracks are two different things in Rekordbox. Matching songs are the songs that you match manually, and related songs is something that Rekordbox does based on key or BPM, for example. When I go to the 2-player mode, not the 1-player mode, the 2-player mode, then I load in 2 tracks, 1 track in player A and 1 track in player B. Then over here you will see an icon, and that is the link icon. When it's blue, a song is matched, and when it's white, a song is not matched. When you drag in 2 songs and those are not matched together, you can match them by pressing this icon. So I can now record a match between party and friends. Let's take 2 other songs. So I will drag another song in player B. Then Squeezy Beat will be matched with like this when I press this button. When it comes to Rekordbox, you're done now. You can't see a list of your matched songs, for example. There is something there in related songs, but I go not into detail in this video. But you can't see on your CDJ which songs that you have matched in Rekordbox. When you're playing one song, you can select on the other player matching songs. And that is really helpful. This video is part of the series Rekordbox Tutorial for Beginners, a link to the YouTube series you can find in the description below. Was this good information? Leave a thumbs up, also subscribe for more videos about DJing and producing, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching and bye!